Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Miss Universe Philippines and the Miss Philippines Queens are now complete. Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Ann Manalo, Miss Supranational Philippines 2025 Tara Valencia, Miss Cosmo Philippines 2024 Maria Tisa Manalo, Miss Charm Philippines 2025 Cyril Payumo, and Miss Echo International Philippines 2025 Alexi Brooks. And these remarkable women are set to represent the Philippines on the global stage, and each bringing their unique qualities and advocacies to their respective international competition. Their victories highlight their dedication, poise, and commitment to various social causes and continuing the legacy of excellence in Filipino pageantry. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!